I want to find a yellow armor recipe that's fast, looks good, and is easy. I can usually find a recipe that hits two of those 3 points, but not one that's all three. I think I might have found the one. Let me know what you think. If I'm trying to make yellow armor look ancient, I usually do black primer with brown over top, and then usually some kind of acrylic over that. However, what if we tried doing the black primer and then try to get that ancient look by priming pink and then white over top? Let's give it a shot. For Zenithal, we're going to try using Yellow Orange Azo by Liquitex ink. Let's give it a shot. Protect your skin. Wear a glove. 34 psi, 8 drops, 7 drops, 7 select your number. Test spray. Fantastic. I'm feeling good about this. Low, slow, and in a circle. Gently pull that airbrush trigger backwards. We're seeing it hit the model. It's looking a little more like an aged Imperial Fist armor than a bright yellow Lamenter. Oh, there we go. Looking good. Oh, definitely hitting some good volumetric highlights there. Like the look of it. Definitely looks aged, worn, and yellow. Gotta get these pauldrons really good. Yep, we can see where that layering comes through on the pauldrons. That looks real nice. Almost looks like some kind of Imperial Fist veteran. So maybe not, maybe a little too dark for a Lamenter veteran. Not that that matters much because what's a Lamenter veteran other than somebody who's survived 4 or 5 battles? Let's make sure to get the undersides. Okay, it's not turning green. That was what I was mostly worried, because when you use some kind of ink or yellow contrast paint on black primer, that generally turns the yellow into some shade of green. But the volumetric highlights with the pink then the yellow, or the pink then the white, make sure that doesn't happen. So all in all, I would consider this little experiment a success. That's a nice quick way to put yellow on the table without using any acrylic brush. Obviously we would need to do that for the weapon, but this is quick, speedy, easy. 3 rattle cans, you're good to go. Oh, 3 rattle cans, a little bit of ink and an airbrush, and you're good to go. It's probably the fastest tabletop yellow I've come up with so far. Obviously you could completely nix the black primer, but then you don't get some of these aged armor highlights. So if you're doing something like an Intercessor, that'd be fine. If you're doing something like Blade Guard or Stern Guard, I would still consider a black primer first. Regardless, this was a quick, fun, easy experiment. What's your favorite way to paint yellows? Are there any other speedy yellows that you like to use? Let me know in the comments, and check out these videos for other videos of me trying to find ways to paint yellow that looks good. Thanks so much, everyone. Bye.